shit go hard though.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I am IAmMariahMarie, bro. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is IAmMariahMarie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified every time that I upload. I feel like I've been putting out really good content, so I'm gonna need y'all to go watch. Today I am doing a Lemoda hair review, initial hair review. So I ordered this twice actually, but I got one for a friend and I got one for myself. But this is the second time ordering it, so I'm gonna tell you about the shipping. Both times shipping only took about maybe 4 days. As soon as they ship it, it gets to you within like 2 days. As soon as it says it's shipped, it gets to you within 2 days, and it probably takes 1 to 2 days to ship. So I want to say like 4 days in total. And so here's the package. So first thing I got when I got the hair was a long thing of lashes. So this was really good. Ooh, I look a goddamn mess. Wow. Y'all, this is very last minute because I'm about to take this hair to my stylist actually right now and give this to her so she can bleach it and stuff before my hair appointment. So that's why I look so rough, and I just got off work. So but yes, y'all, so it came with a long thing of lashes, and I actually y'all, because y'all know I have to give y'all the tea about everything, so I actually have the lashes on now. They're not like the plastic ones that some vendors give you. And I really like that because I needed lashes, and like I didn't know it was gonna come with this many, so I was like, okay, y'all got me right. So then the moment you've been waiting for, which is the hair. So I got this hair in 30 inches, and I will have the specs and all that on this side of the camera. So this is in 30 inches. It is 180% density. Obviously I got it in the highest density that I could, being that it is 30 inches. And so we're taking this off, and this is what it again looks like. This is the inside of the cap. This is the hair all the way to the ends, and then this is the lace where it's up to my skin. Hold on. So obviously it still needs to be bleached. It was the 13x4 transparent lace wig, and it's super soft. Like, I don't have no complaints. I think when I ran my hands through it initially, I only got one strand of hair, but as you can see now, I just ran my fingers through it. No hair. As initial hair review, as far as service and all of that, I would give it a cool, you know what, as an initial review, I would give this a cool 9 out of 10, just because everything was perfect twice. Like I told you guys, I ordered it twice, one for me and one for somebody else. Literally the exact same wig. So it is, they both came exactly the same. The only difference was hers came with a wig cap and one pair of lashes. Only difference is mine came with a whole pack of lashes. We're not gonna talk about all of this, okay? Because I just got off work and my edges are not slayed no more. It's raining outside and I need to take my makeup off. We're not gonna talk about it. We're not. So hope you guys, that is all for this video. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout for, basically it'll be like a part 2 of this video, but it'll actually be a vlog, which y'all will see me getting this installed, and you just gotta stay tuned for the rest of that vlog because it's gonna be a good one. Okay, bye. Okay, peace out.
The beat go hard though.